This video is going to show you how to use KnightCite. This is a way that you can cite your sources, and it's very easy to do. So imagine that I'm going to do a paper on a leopard. And so I have my sources. In this page here, the African Wildlife Foundation is one of my sources. So I need to make a source card, and then I need to put it at the end of my paper. So how do I do that so I get everything in the right order? Well, I use KnightCite. It's like a legal way to cheat, kind of. So I'm going to come over here now. I'm using a web page, but there's all kinds of sources you can use. Maybe you're just going to have a basic book. Maybe you have a book about leopards, and that's what you want to use. Or maybe you have a magazine. Maybe you've got a National Geographic magazine, and that's what you're going to use. Then you would click on magazine. But I'm going to use this website document. So I am going to click, see right down there at the bottom of that page, I'm going to click on there. And that's going to change things. Did you see how everything just changed on my KnightCite page? All right, so now I am going to write all the information, answer all their questions that I can find. Number of authors. I can choose from 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's look at this page. I'll bet there won't be an author. It's not just one individual writing. So I'm thinking there's not going to be an author. Nope, there's not. So what do I do if there's not an author? I leave it blank. I don't do anything. Does the website have a title? Yes. See up in the corner? It's African Wildlife Foundation. So the website title, that's what I'm going to write. Editors, sometimes you can find an editor way at the bottom of the page, but not today. So what am I going to do? I'm going to leave it blank. The document's title, it's Leopard. The sponsoring organization, it's back to that. I think it's probably the African Wildlife Foundation. There's nothing else on here. Nope. So we're just going to do, it's the same one as the title of the page. Date it was published. We're not even going to find a date. So what are we going to do? We're going to leave it blank. Was the resource found in a database? Nope. Is the URL too long to cite? Nope, it's just a short one. Do I want to include the URL? Yes. So see, it gives me my blank, so I'm going to go up here. And I'm going to put it right in there. All right, now this is kind of a short one because I don't have an author or anything like that. So I'm all done. I'm going to do submit, and look at this. It does your work for you. There it is. You're going to copy just that part, and you can paste it right into your paper. Now, if you're making note cards, you'll just have to take your note card and look up there and look at it. Notice where all the quotation marks are, the periods. Make it look just like that one looks. So if you're putting in a paper, you can just copy and paste it right at the end. But if you're doing a note card, you're going to have to look up there and just copy it. That's all. See, it's pretty easy. You're just going to decide what kind of source you're going to use. And then you're going to click on it. See, I'm not going to do it, but I will go ahead and click. Let's say I'm going to use a basic book. Watch how it's all going to change again. And now I just go through here, and all the information that I can find, I put it in there. If there's not the information, what do? I just leave that one blank.